Alright, we might actually try voice with this video. Don't know, we'll see. There's the door. Here's our area. It may get a little dark in here, but here's what we're going to be dealing with. Going to be putting in a motor too. Okay, peeps. Truck is unloaded. Door is inside. Hardware's all ready. So, alright. Okay, we got the first panel in, and the first part of the track's in. Nice and straight up and down, nice and level. Making her look nice and pretty. Alright. Get the next 2 to 3 panels in, and I'll be back. Okay, so got those panels up. Now we're going for the side over here. Going to be putting that up on that side, and then that one on that side. I'm going to get the tools and everything set up, and once I'm all set up, I'll go up there and we'll see how we do it. Okay, let's do this. One-man show. Okay. Now, this is an 8-foot high door. Most doors are normally, gonna get loud. Normal doors are generally about 7 feet high, and a little extra height. Okay. So, for this, I want a 7/16 and a 1/2. Deep socket, preferable. We take the 7/16, then get this rested on our shoulder, pull this back, get the track about as even as possible. Oh, come on. There we go. That feels flush. Alright. That's for the track. Line that up. And then get the level on there. Switch to the 1/2 inch. Get the 1/2 inch on there. Oh, you're about even right there. Okay. Well, it can have the slightest uphill, but you don't want much. You don't want much at all. But that's pretty. Okay. We got that done. After we get this other side done and the top panel in, then we will have to move to back hangs to secure the back. Because the door comes up, too much weight on that, and that'll just collapse down. So we want to get a bracer for it right there. So we're going to come back to it when we need to put that up. But I'm going to move on to getting that in, and I might come back for the top panel as well, and then move to the back hangs. And then after the back hangs are done, we get the torsion system in. Get torsion system in, and then we got to do the motor. Alright. Oh, wait. I have the end bearing plate for it right here. Might as well do this now. Okay. Okay. Get those on. Got that secured. And that's where the torsion tube is going to go. Got that one, and then there will be another one on there. Okay. We'll be back. Okay, my peeps. We are all loaded up. We have a functioning, pretty door. I just did all of the decorations on it, the hinges, the handles, and the hinges. What was that? Okay. Nice functioning door. We are all done but calling the customer. So, right on.